So I mean, it's pretty cool because I get to say I have a 4-speed WRX. Who needs second gear, right? We got third. Hello YouTube fam. So I have some sort of bad news. I guess it depends how you look at it. But my car rejected second gear today, so I mean, it's pretty cool because I get to say I have a 4-speed WRX. Who needs second gear, right? We got third, fourth, fifth, first, and we have reverse. I guess sometimes we have reverse. There's reverse. But second gear? Hell no. Don't need that. So, little backstory. I was going about my day as usual. I was actually headed to go on a hike and was headed up a hill at a light, red light, and did not pull my e-brake because it wasn't a big hill, and just started normally and went to shift a second, and it just literally will not, like, there is no second. It just doesn't exist anymore. So I pulled out into a gas station and like messed with it and pulled the shift boot off to see if anything looks out of the ordinary here, and everything looks normal. So I did end up babying it home. I just skipped second gear. You can go first to third. It's a little bit weird, but totally doable, and got the car home. I'm kind of bummed though because like I thought fifth gear was gonna blow. Can you hear the whine in the background? Yeah, it's fifth gear. So this was a long time coming. This transmission's a mystery trans out of my old 05 wagon that I had for like 6 months. My entire driveline is, and I've been waiting for it to blow up. So I'm not super disappointed. It just came at a weird time because I did get accepted to a track day. So now I have like 5 weeks to figure this situation out. But see you guys at Thunderhill. After getting it home, I did check my fluid. I still have the napkin from that. And initially the side that, like when I first pulled out the dipstick, that's how it looked. But then when I put the dipstick back in to check the actual fluid level, it looked like, oh, I guess it's right there. Can't quite see it, but it was not silver. It looks like modal. So I was expecting that to be silver. I didn't drain it, so I ended up jacking up the car, and I checked my trans and engine mounts because I guess that too much slop could lead to linkage binding, or the engine could twist in a manner, or the gearbox in like such an angle that it blocks the linkage or something. I'm looking at. Does any of this look abnormal to you apart from that? But the fluid level was actually fine, so I don't really know what's happening. My motor mounts up here. Where are they? Look fine. So I don't know. I don't weigh enough to actually, fuck, that's so hot, like move anything. But yeah, I think my trans is just done. I also checked the chassis clearance, and basically nothing underneath the car looked out of the ordinary or new, so it kind of left me with the conclusion it's probably a bent clutch shift fork, or my second gear is just toast. But anyways, I did schedule the car to go in next week on the 28th to M45 Performance, and it's going to get diagnosed, and we're going to go from there because I don't want to deal with that downtown on the side of the road. So with that being said, I did get accepted to the track day in March, so you guys, well, I guess nobody will, but you can possibly catch me at Thunderhill in August. And yeah, that's the only update. Don't expect a video anytime soon after this. It'll probably be 2 weeks or so, just because the car is going in for 5 to 10 days and I won't have anything to drive around and make content with. So bear with me, and I will see you guys when I see you guys. Thanks for all the support.